What is that?
It's Cinderella.
Cinderella what?
She can carry it. Is that the one you wanted?
Yep.
Yeah.
He'll take it every piece off.
Let me see it. Oh. What is that?
It's Cinderella.
Cinderella what?
Cinderella castle.
Oh my gosh. Did Santa give it to you?
Yep. He did. Her dress and then all the girls messed it up.
What? Why?
Because they were naughty. And look at her glass slipper.
I know.
Where?
What's brother doing? What'd you get?
You can have the horse now.
Yeah. I do. The horse. Hey, look at the horse. Goes on Cinderella.
You can open the other one?
Cinderella goes on the horse.
Look.
Too busy eating the candy canes.
Open it. Mom, I want to open the other one.
That's your Cinderella castle. That's from Santa. Are you gonna open it?
Yeah.